everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing a Dubai summer sale try-on haul. And if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jen, and thank you so much for clicking this video, and I would really appreciate if you'd subscribe. Let's get started. Okay, so saan ba ako magsisimula? Okay. Woo! Okay. So, this one, I got from Bershka. I think ito yata yung pinaka-latest kong binili from them. And, I still have their tag price. And, it's supposed to be 49 dirhams, but I got it for 19. Syempre, sa kapirasong tela na to, ay papatulan ko talaga siya. It's really cute, and it's summer right now, so
I layered it with a very light fabric just to help me cover myself a little bit more even if it is summer.
And they have the same price as this. So pareho ko silang nakuha ng 19 dirhams.
What I love about this top is it's very adjustable. So, pwede mo pa siyang habaan or iksian. And what I did is I used my blazer that I'm using in this video and to make it a little bit more stylish. And alam niyo naman, I'm still living in Dubai, so I don't wanna wear something very eye-catching. So sometimes it's also good to layer it up a little bit and make it still look fashion.
The next one I have this one. Actually, hindi ko pa rin siya nasasuot. And I'm not sure about the size because for sure I gained weight. Pero nung binili ko kasi ito sa akin, kasya pa siya. I got from Forever 21. Sorry guys, I forgot to tell you. I got for 50 dirhams. And mag-gym na kasi ako, so kailangan ko ng outfit pang gym. This one I got from Zara. Cute lang siya. Parang lakas maka-preppy nung dati. For 19 dirhams.
You can use this top alone with a belt since it's quite loose, and also use a long white long sleeves under it just to make it a little bit more preppy and chic.
Okay, time to go with the bottoms. I got from H&M. 59 dirhams siya before, but now it's only 25 dirhams. May nanalo na sa bidding. Diba? Cute siya. And this one as well. It's also from H&M. 129 original price. I got it for 40 dirhams. And time for something from pull&bear. Another favorite go-to brand of mine. This one, super ganda. Actually, si Jowa nakakita nito. And sobrang na-in-love kami sa color because it's very summery, sobrang light niya tignan, and it's very cute. If I will find a perfect blazer partner dito, it would look freaking amazing, and then white top lang siguro inside. It would be freaking cool. And it's 129 dirhams, but I got it for 49 dirhams again. When we saw this, we fell in love, and sigurado ko this would be one of my favorite trousers na ikikip ko. Maluwag lang siya sa akin and mahaba, so konting alterations lang naman, but I don't wanna do anything na pasikipan pa siya or whatever kasi parang masisira yung style ng damit. Ooh! So this one, alam niyo kasi, malapit na mag-winter. So para sa akin, pag may nakikita ako na parang cute na pang winter kahit summer pa nung binili ko, binibili ko na siya para prepared now for winter. Hindi ko na kailangan mamili pa ng maraming sweater or anything na pang ginawa because lamigin talaga ako, as in sobrang bilis ko magkasakit pagka winter. So I got this. The original price is 169 and I got this for only 69 dirhams.
What I love about this statement sweater is that it is very street style and it is very casual, and kahit loose siya sa akin, there is adjustment at the bottom And what I wanted to do with this sweater is just to wear a high-waisted jeans or a mom's jeans, the one I'm wearing in this video, and I just tuck it in. And if you're aiming for a model off-duty look or just a casual day, wanted to get some Starbucks coffee and do some errands, I think this look will look perfect a very casual day like that.
And if it's Zara, fabric pa lang, it's a really good buy. Here you go. Zara top. I love it! Can't wait to wear it. Sana magtaglamig na. This one, I got from Iconic. I no longer have the paper bag kasi tagal na rin ito. When I saw this, cute kasi yung accent niya. May slit siya. And parang nakita lang ako. Parang feeling ko kasi pag magde-desert safari ako, parang pwede ko siyang i-outfit na ganito. Masyado pa mainit. So, hindi ko kaya magpunta sa desierto ngayon and mag-desert safari. It was 150 dirham and I got it for 30. So, bilhin na! Diba? Ang laki ng discount ko dun. Parang maganda tong outfit na to. Maganda to sa autumn pag medyo pag nag-change na yung climate from from summer to winter, yung medyo okay na yung breeze pero hindi pa rin ganun kalamig and hindi na ganun kainit. I think this one is perfect for that climate, for that temperature. Okay, time with Victoria's Secret. Syempre, hindi ko na to ito-try on haul kasi hindi pa ako ganun ka-confident magpakita sa camera ng naka-ganto. Okay, so this one, I got from Victoria's Secret and super sale siya because you need, I think, it's like you get 5 on these for the price of 150 dirhams. And I got all these cheeky on these. Parang ganun yung mga feel ko lately kasi. And this one, I wore this na before, Instagram's sake. Sinuot ko to when I watched Lion King. Lakas lang maka-animalistic. And this one too. Cute. Mahilig lang ako sa mga plain and simple. Para, wala lang. I just like it like that. Pero of course, meron din ako yung mga funky prints. And same with this one. Ito, super cute lang nito. Parang medyo sporty type. So, I bought this one too. Okay, so total of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From Victoria's Secret. So, goodbye. Again, from Forever 21. I already used this once. Pang picture. Super cute niya. Ayun, nagamit ko na siya. And these are like jelly shoes. Nakita lang ako kasi pastel yung color niya. Like turquoise. Sa paningin ko. Yan. I love it. This one, I'm super excited. Super cute! I got from Forever 21. Di ko pa ito nagagamit. And nabili ko lang siya for 89 dirhams. I'm not sure if this one is on sale or bago lang nila to, but super cute niya. May pagagamitan kasi ako nito. I want to wear all pink. Ganyan siya. So, it could be super small or it could be long din. Ganyan. So, super cute. Of course, I don't wanna waste my money on buying bags that hindi man magkakasya yung mga gamit ko. So, I tried fitting on my cellphone. Kasya naman yung cellphone ko and kasya rin yung next ko pang pinili from, again, Forever 21. I got this for, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit, 39 dirhams. If you're going to ask me, I love buying sunglasses, yung mga trendy lang. Kasi sobrang, aside from flighty ako, ang hilig kong makasira. I have a heavy hand. Sabi nga ng jowa ko, sobrang kamay na bakal daw ako. If I touch something, I break it. Ito na nasira yung sunglasses just because sa hawak ko or the way I keep them. So, I don't wanna waste a lot of money from buying expensive sunglasses. Although, meron pa rin ako mga ganung brands, pero I seldom use it kasi nga masisira ko lang siya. So, this one, I like. cute. So, ipapartner ko siya dito and dito. Super pinky! And kasha rin siya dito. Yan. I'm gonna show you guys na hindi naman sayang yung pera ko with this. Oh, diba? Kasha. And then, puro mostly cards lang naman ang dala ko and I don't usually bring cash. So, here. Tapos na. Kasha na siya lahat. And so, this is the bucket hat that I bought nung pupunta kami sa Bali. It's very trendy right now. I wish I could buy more of these. Pero, tatakot din kasi ako, hindi naman ako sobrang mahilig magsuot ng mga hats and caps. Pero, I bought one. Super cute niya. And feeling ko magagamit ko pa to. Kaya ganito yung kinuha kong style. Pero if makakahanap pa ako ng mga plain lang na bucket hats, for sure, bibilin ko siya. And this one is very cheap. So, very cheap. And did I forget? Ooh, I forgot something. Wait. Kinuha ko pa siya sa cabinet ko. This one is from Zara. It's a teddy coat and sobrang gustong-gusto ko talaga nito. You know how much I got this for? 49 dirhams. My God. 49 for a freaking coat from Zara na sobrang ganda and sobrang warm and teddy coat. Sobrang love. And kaya ako siya binili during summer kasi pagdating ng winter, magmamahal na naman yung mga ganitong coats and sobrang pricey niya. It's more than 100 for sure. Yung mga jacket ko from Zara, mostly nag-reach siya ng 200 plus. And if I got this for 49 dirhams, why not? Hindi na kami nagdalawang isip ni Jowa. Binili na talaga namin. Kasi, you'll never know kailan ka magta-travel, kung kailan ka magta-travel sa lugar na malamig and may snow. So, it's better to be prepared and have these kind of coats na alam mo naman na magtatagal and hindi naman basta-basta masisira. And coming from Zara, it's a really good brand. By the way, congratulations to the comment winner from a previous vlog and thank you so much for commenting. It's your turn to shine. So that's the end of this try-on haul. I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog as much as I did. Ang tagal ko ng last na gumawa ng styling video and I think dapat sipagan ko pa to create more videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and I hope you guys click the like button if you really enjoyed this try-on haul and please also make your comments. See you guys on my next video. I love you all so much. Thank you for those people who keeps on subscribing to my channel. I don't know what I did to deserve you all, guys. And please continue to stay with me on my journey and hanggang sa lumaki pa na lumaki yung family natin. And I am so grateful for all of you. I love you all so much and see you on my next video.